At Holway House, we provide community building programs and tenant support services for vulnerable seniors and residents in the Downtown Eastside of Vancouver. The way that we got started was I was actually working at my family's buildings in the Downtown Eastside, and coming into my position, I thought that I was just going to save the Downtown Eastside. I thought I could fix all the problems, get people food and clothing, and I very quickly realized that my idea of what the issues were was very wrong. I actually got very humbled to realize that people were very isolated and very lonely. And so, as we began, we wanted to combat isolation and loneliness by providing programs that would allow people to feel welcome and safe. And so we started with a really simple games night and a family dinner. And from there we grew and we started to provide support services and meeting people where they were at so they could access the support that they needed in order to be successful in housing, but also in order to grow and start to rebuild their lives. We started our seniors meal delivery program in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. We knew that in order for low-income seniors to be able to self-isolate, they would need food security. Being a low-income senior, especially in the Downtown Eastside, often means standing in food lineups. We knew that they were so vulnerable with COVID-19 that we organized providing meal delivery service direct door to door. We started with the building we were working in at the Veterans Manor, and from there we were able to expand into 18 other buildings to provide meals for over 600 low-income seniors and vulnerable residents around our city. We've built with incredible partnerships with the local churches like Coastal Church and the Eden Cafe, where we're standing today because they've donated this space to us. We've partnered with local restaurant groups like the Dirty Apron and the Kitchen Table Group, and even the Eden Cafe is making meals, as well as incredible organizations who have been supporting us so that we're able to support our seniors to get them safely through this time.
Just in our interactions daily with those residents, some of my volunteers out there and our other staff, the way we've been able to interact with people and get to know, ask questions, how are you, what's going on, are you okay today, just in those moments, being able to take, even if it's 30 seconds, has been really impactful for us, and I think, according to the comments on our feedback, has been important for those people as well. In one of our buildings, there was a woman who asked for some specific modifications, which in most cases we are totally willing to accommodate. And so whether that's vegan or gluten-free or dairy-free or something like that, and this woman had asked specifically for no mushrooms. And as I kind of got to know her over a few weeks of delivering, I ended up calling her just off the cuff. I called her the no mushroom lady. And one time she said to me, "Hey, my name's Denise." And I said, "Sorry, Denise, I'd love to just get to know you and call you Denise." So I built up a relationship with her over the next few weeks, and we just kind of got to talking a few times on and off. And I had kind of asked her, like, "What do you think of our program? Do you like being a part of it?" And she said, "Yes, I really like being a part of it. And I really wanted to say thank you for not giving me any mushrooms. I have never liked mushrooms, but when I was in the residential school, I was forced to eat mushrooms all the time. And so when you didn't give me mushrooms and accommodated my request, I was really happy with that. And it's been good to get to know you over these last few weeks." So that story really touched my heart. I was able to both give this woman a bit of a respite from the mushrooms, but also get to know her on a bit of a deeper level as well.
If you'd like to support Holway House, you can visit our website at holwayhouse.ca. We'd love to have you come down and volunteer, or if you'd like to support by making a donation, please get in touch.